Welcome to our quick and easy guide on creating QR codes using Canva. Let's dive into what QR codes are and their many uses in today's tech-driven world. Canva is a powerful online design tool that's user-friendly and versatile, perfect for both beginners and professionals looking to create stunning designs. To create a QR code, first, log into Canva and head to the Apps section where you'll find the QR code generator ready to use. Once you're in the generator, simply input the URL or data you'd like your QR code to link to. It's as easy as typing it in and clicking Generate. Now for the fun part. You can customize your QR code's design to match your branding. Choose colors, shapes, and patterns to make it uniquely yours. After designing your QR code, the next step is adding it to your project. Simply drag and drop it into your desired template. Once your QR code is ready, hit Export and download it in your preferred file format. Easy, right? Here's a quick tip. For optimal usage, place your QR code where it's easily accessible. Think flyers, business cards, or posters. That's it. You've now created your QR code in Canva. Don't forget to explore more of Canva's features to continue your design journey.